Okay, here is a great affordable 1969 Z28 Chevy Camaro for sale. This thing is looking really awesome. This company is asking $36,500, which is a great price for this. And the phone number is on the bottom right there, and you can call this number to ask any questions about this car or actually purchase it. And it is a really nice car, and it's looking really great for me too. Okay, so you can actually stay in this video. I have a lot of pictures of this car and you'll see exactly what all of it looks like. Okay, thanks. I hope you like it.